In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a background to text in Canva. If you've ever struggled with text getting lost on a busy image or blending into your design, adding a background behind the text is a quick, clean way to boost readability and make your message stand out while keeping a polished look. Start by opening your design in Canva. You can use the web app or the mobile app. Either works the same for this feature. Once your design is open, click or tap to select the text box you want to enhance. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around the text. If you have overlapping elements, make sure you've got the correct text box highlighted before moving on. With the text box selected, look to the top toolbar and click Effects. On mobile, you'll find Effects along the bottom toolbar after selecting the text. The Effects panel shows a variety of options, and for this technique you'll choose Background, depending on your version of Canva. It might appear under a section labeled Style. If you don't see it right away, scroll the panel. It's there. Once background is active, you'll see controls to customize the look. Roundness adjusts the corner radius of the background shape. Slide it down for sharper corners or up for a rounded, pill-shaped badge. Spread controls the padding the space between the text and the edge of the background. A smaller spread hugs the letters for a tight label. A larger spread creates a more spacious banner. Transparency, sometimes labeled as opacity, sets how solid the background appears. Lower transparency gives a subtle highlight that lets the image show through. Higher transparency makes the background more solid, which is perfect when you need strong contrast. Finally, choose a color using the color picker. You can select from your brand colors, recent colors, or the full palette. Aim for enough contrast with your text color so it remains easy to read. A light background behind dark text or a dark background behind light text usually works best. As you adjust, keep an eye on the overall balance of your design. If the background feels too heavy, reduce spread or increase transparency. If the text still blends into the image, try a bolder color or increase spread slightly to give the letters more breathing room. Small tweaks go a long way. And you can always toggle between options until it feels just right. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.